Somkhulumi kamengameli u-Vincent Magwenya uthi amagqwetha kamengameli azoqala ezinye indlela zokutjhijila isiqundo sekhotho yezomthetho sekelo ngemva ukuthi iphaye isibawo sabo sokutjhijila indinyana yomthetho isection 89 yombiko wephalaphala.
The legal team will convene and map the way forward and consider the options going forward, but it's not necessarily a blow and it's not a judgment on the substance and merits of the case. It's just a procedural issue.
Ababikindaba babuze usomkhulumi kamengameli uMagwenya bona umengameli uzokwenzani ngokuthokoza isikhundla kwesekela lakhe uDavid Mabuza. Bekuthi sekumalanga ama-22 akhuluma nesitjhaba umengameli wathembisa amaSewula Afrika bona uzokukhetha ungqongqotjhe wegezi. Kanti uphi? Uphendule ngalendlela uMagwenya.
There are vacancies in cabinet. We also now have a vacancy in the role of a deputy president, and so there is a sense of agency that the president fills those vacancies as soon as possible. So in a matter of days, that announcement will be made. So I will say to you, be on standby and look out for my advisory alerting you to the announcement.
Ndaba yokutshugulula kwekhabinethi akhangisale bona kanti utshugulula nini ngoba solo isitjhaba silindile.
The president has to apply his mind. The appointment of cabinet members and the management of cabinet is not something that you can conduct in haste. It's not something that you can do in a rush. It's something that has to be carefully considered because you have to look at the stability of government. You have to look at the programs that are already underway.
Gandenye indaba kulu kube ngehlangano yezohatsha le SABC sekuzinyanga ingana ibhodi. Kubuzwe bona kuba yini kriyada kanga kukhethwa kwebhodi ngombana amagama wabantu abaphumeleleko nabahlungwako wawathola umengameli.
When the president received the candidates shortlist on the 20th of December, there were a number of issues that required clarification on the side of Parliament with respect to what was handed to the president.
Mhlapha isikhulu salokho se-Eskom u-Director uveza indaba zokuthi i-ANC beyisebenzise Eskom ukuzidapela imali. Kwathiwa kunongqongqotjhe otsho njalo. Uyiphendule ngalindlela uMagwenya le ndaba.
The president cannot respond to rumors and generic suggestions around individuals, who he is not even aware of. What he has done is to instruct that law enforcement agencies descend upon Eskom and work towards cleaning out all forms of criminality at Eskom.
uMagwenya uvale inkulumo yakhe ngokuthi umengameli wenza konke okusemandleni ukuphungula ukuqindeliswa kwegezi enarheni le.